In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. So simply you have to create account on Facebook Ads Manager, and after that when you successfully create the account, simply go to Event Manager and select your business account. Now under data source, select your Facebook Pixel ID. After that, now what you need to do next, you have to integrate with Shopify. So go to your Shopify admin and click Facebook in the sales channel select section. So first of all, you have to install the application, and after that when you select the Facebook in the sales channel section, simply click on the settings and click on data sharing setting. Navigate to the customer data sharing section and click the enable data sharing toggle. Then in the choose data sharing level sections, select standard, enhanced or maximum. Select your pixel from the list, click confirm and you are done. So in this way you can add Facebook pixel on Shopify.